All right, future e-commerce legends. Look around this virtual room. Some of you are excited, some are skeptical, and some, you're just tired. Tired of pouring money into ads that vanish into the digital void like socks in a dryer. Tired of products gathering dust in virtual warehouses while your bank account gathers cobwebs. Sound familiar? Well, grab your favorite beverage. Maybe something stronger than coffee is warranted today, because we're about to flip the script. Welcome to the ultimate guide, dropshipping ads that don't just get seen. They sell out products. I'm not here to sell you pipe dreams. I'm here to hand you the digital flamethrower you need to incinerate your competition and watch those out-of-stock notifications roll in like a standing ovation. Let's be brutally honest for a second. Most dropshipping ads, they're like that guy at the party telling everyone about his amazing band. But he never actually plays any music. All hype, no substance. All clicks, no carts. All views, no cha-chings. That stops today. You're about to learn the art and science of creating ads that don't just interrupt the endless scroll. They hijack it. Ads that make people think, wait, I didn't know I needed this. But I need this now. Module 1, why your ads are currently gathering digital dust and how to fix it. First step, diagnosis. Why aren't your ads converting? Is it the product? Maybe. The audience? Possibly. But 9 times out of 10, it's the message. You're talking at people, not to them. You're showcasing a product, not solving a pain point or fulfilling a deep desire. Think about it. You see an ad for, let's say, a phone stand. Boring, right? Yawn. Now, imagine an ad showing someone frantically trying to prop their phone up with books while following a yoga tutorial, looking like a tangled pretzel. The caption, tired of yoga turning into phone Jenga, never miss downward dog again. That speaks to frustration. That speaks to a desire for ease. That sells. Your mission, become an empathy ninja. Get inside your customer's head. What keeps them up at 2 a.m.? What minor annoyance makes them grit their teeth daily? What secret wish do they have? Your ad should be the answer whispered directly into their soul. Stop selling a gadget. Start selling relief, joy, status, or that feeling of being effortlessly cool. Module 2. The irresistible ad formula. Hook, story, offer, slam, dunk. Okay, assassins, here's your blueprint for ads that convert like crazy. The unignorable hook. 0 to 3 seconds. This is your digital cattle prod. It must stop the scroll. How? Intrigue. This $10 gadget saved my vacation. Show the gadget dramatically saving something ridiculous. Pain point. Sick of specific annoying problem. Show the problem hilariously unfolding. Shocking benefit. How I turned $50 into $5,000 in 3 days. Be ethical, but show the potential. Humor. Shows a mock ad. When your cat judges your phone holding skills. Cut to cat looking unimpressed while owner struggles. Laughter builds bridges. The relatable story, 3 to 10 seconds. Show, don't just tell. This is where you demonstrate the problem and introduce your product as the hero. Problem agitation. Show the struggle. Make it real. Make it slightly exaggerated. Make them wince in recognition. Mockumentary style works wonders here. The aha moment. Introduce your product seamlessly. Show it effortlessly solving that problem. Highlight the key benefit visually. Faster, easier, stronger, more beautiful. Use text overlays for emphasis. The irresistible offer, 10 to 20 seconds. Now they're interested. Time to close the deal. Clear value. State the price boldly. Make it feel like a steal compared to the pain it solves. Scarcity and urgency. Use sparingly but effectively. Launch price. First 100 orders get X. Sale ends Sunday. FOMO is real, people. Use its power for good. Your good. Risk reversal. 30-day money-back guarantee, lifetime warranty, remove the final barrier to purchase. The slam dunk call to action, final frames. Don't be subtle, tell them exactly what to do next. Big bold button, shop now. Get yours. Clear link in bio. For video ads, show the clickable link visually and say it. Reinforce urgency before it sells out, especially if you're running low. Module 3, Platform Power Plays and Pixel Perfection. You wouldn't use a flamethrower to light a candle, right? Different platforms need different tactics. Facebook, Instagram, king and queen of storytelling and targeting. Leverage carousels for multiple benefits, reels for quick hooks and trends, stories for urgency. Use their insane targeting to find your perfect audience, interests, behaviors, even lookalike audiences of your past buyers. Pixel is mandatory. Install it yesterday. It's your crystal ball telling you who clicked, who added to cart, who bought, so you can retarget and optimize ruthlessly. TikTok, speed, creativity, trends rule here. Hook in the first millisecond. Use trending sounds, fast cuts, and super relatable UGC-style content. Authenticity trumps polish. Focus on problem solution. Fast. Leverage TikTok's native ad tools. Google, shopping and search. For people actively looking. Killer product images and titles are critical. Use shopping ads to showcase visually. Use search ads for high-intent keywords like best product or problem solution. Remarketing lists are gold here too. Module 4, the secret weapon, testing and optimization, aka don't be a one-ad wonder. Listen closely. Your first ad won't be perfect. Your 10th might not be either. The magic is in the testing. A /B test. Everything. Hooks, visuals, video versus image, ad copy, calls to action, landing pages, even audiences. Run small budgets against each variation. Let the data, not your ego, decide the winner. Decipher the data like a pro. Don't just stare at clicks. Look at cost per click, CPC, click-through rate, CTR, add to cart rate, and the holy grail, return on ad spend, ROAS. Is an ad getting cheap clicks but no sales? Kill it. Is an ad expensive per click but converts like crazy? Scale it. Rose tells you if you're making money. The ad autopsy. When an ad flops, and some will, dissect it. Why? Wrong hook? Wrong audience? Weak offer? Learn from the fallen soldiers. Every failure is a stepping stone to your next sellout campaign. Scale the winners. Found an ad combo printing money? Gradually increase the budget. Don't go from $10 a day to $1,000 a day overnight. Do it incrementally while monitoring performance. This isn't just about selling widgets. This is about building something real. It's about freedom. Freedom from the 9-to-5 grind. Freedom to work from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Freedom to create a life on your terms. Every single ad you create that converts is a brick in that foundation. It's a vote for your future self. The algorithms, the platforms, the customers. They are waiting for you to show up with this knowledge and dominate. Imagine it. Waking up to notifications that your virtual shelves are empty because your ads worked too well. Seeing that revenue graph climb like it's trying to reach the moon. That feeling? That's not luck. That's you, armed with the right strategies, putting in the work and getting paid. But knowledge is only power if you apply it. This video, it's your starting pistol, your launch pad. Ready to become an ad assassin? Ready to sell out products consistently? Here's your immediate action plan. Smash that like button. It tells the algorithm this content is fire and helps other struggling entrepreneurs find this guide. Subscribe right now. We're just scratching the surface. You don't want to miss the deep dives, advanced strategies, and live Q&As coming your way. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Consider this your VIP pass to the inner circle of winners. Seriously, future, you will thank you. Share this video. Tag that friend who's always talking about starting an online store. Share it in your entrepreneur groups. Help build this army of successful dropshippers. Sharing is caring, and karma in the e-commerce world is very real. Click the link in the description. This is where the real transformation begins. We've packed everything: the advanced tactics, the hidden psychological triggers, the step-by-step funnels, the product research secrets, the scaling blueprints, into our premium educational guides, ebooks, and inspirational manuals. Think of it as your master key to unlocking consistent, scalable online wealth. These aren't just PDFs. They're your cheat codes, your wealth blueprint. Get them, study them, implement them. Your sellout product launch is waiting. The world of e-commerce isn't a lottery. It's a skill. And you just got a massive upgrade. Stop watching from the sidelines. Stop letting mediocre ads drain your budget and your spirit. Take this knowledge, grab those resources in the description, and go build something incredible. Now get out there, create some killer ads, and go sell. Something. Out. I believe in you. Go make it happen. I'll see you at the top.